Hey Molly, tell me about the Countach project from Liberty Walk.
The Liberty Walk countach project is essentially a bold, wide-body makeover of the classic Lamborghini Countach. Liberty Walk added their signature flared fenders and aggressive stance, giving the iconic 80s supercar a fresh, modern twist.
Interesting. Who designed the original Countach and how many were made?
The original Lamborghini Countach was designed by Marcello Bandini, who was working for the design house Bertoni at the time. It's such an iconic design, especially with those signature scissor doors. As for production numbers, Lamborghini made around 2,000 units of the Countach over its entire production run, which spanned from the early 1970s until about 1990.
Hey Molly, my son bought this toy car at the store the other day, but I don't know what it is. Do you recognize it?
Absolutely. That's a second generation Ford GT. Let me break down all the details for you.